Good morning, everyone. I am Christian Tantowi as the Chief Executive Officer of the Lewis Company. I asked Mrs. Rena to prepare an annual meeting to discuss the performance of employees according to their respective departments.
Good morning, Mr. Christian and all the employees from each department. Thank you for your attendance in our annual meeting. I think everyone is already here, so shall we start this meeting?
Okay, I will ask the production department to report the annual performance result.
Okay, I will report the performance of our team from the production department. Our first performance in terms of clothing production planning. We have data that the type of clothing, quality of clothing, raw material use, quantity of goods and production control are in accordance with the procedure. The second is production control such as planning, determining product targets and compiling a work schedule accordingly. And the last one is the supervision of the production of clothing, which is in accordance with the standards and procedures.
Our team has also arranged and coordinated employees in the production section to operate production machines according to machine operating standard in making production result. As a control center for production targets to create or produce products according to the achievement targets set by the company. Make and create product result according to the quality and quantity that has been set by the company. Carry out all the facilities needed by production machines operator with regard to the production process. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Beta and Mrs. Hamidah. Now, I will ask the Sales and Marketing Department to report the annual performance result.
I will report the performance of our team from the Sales and Marketing Department. We have carried out our duties in accordance with our part. The first is to analyze and determine the target market. We try to find out what customer want and need. We have also designed an offline promotion strategy in the form of an exhibition that we usually do every 3 months. And also, we have designed a digital marketing strategy by promoting clothing products through social media and our company official website.
Our team is also active in finding customer. We also design sales strategies using the Balvic method. This method is done by visiting potential customer directly. So you don't just wait until someone come to buy. We also receive sales data and are useful as evaluation material to find out whether the strategy that was implemented has been successful or not. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Isca and Mrs. Ani. Next, I will ask the Accounting Department to report the annual performance result.
I will report the performance of our team from accounting department. Our team is already coordinating budget planning, developing from financial reconciliation, coordinating the implementation of audits, perform a financial recording system, make periodic report based on the accountability of each field of work and perform storage of important documents and valuable documents belonging to the company.
Our team also plans, controls, and make decisions on all activities accounting, coordinates, regulates, and oversees financial activities in the company, determines the amount of budget needed by each division, receives reports on cash flow that come out of or enter the company, evaluates and analyze implementation on accounting system to provide input on the financial system and business strategy, and carry out other related tasks in an effort to achieve the company's target. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Adelia and Mrs. Margaretha. The last, I will ask the IT department to report the annual performance result.
I will report the performance of our team from the IT department. Our team has carried out new technological innovation by conducting comparison, trial, and analysis to obtain appropriate technology for the company, analyzing existing system management by making strategies, information system methodologies so that they can be applied, and also organize collaborative workshops in the form of moderate discussion forum as a means of virtual knowledge sharing.
Or them also ensure that all computers can be set, store, all that on the computers set by the answer, makes technical report by means of documentation, and fish and prepares the Mac computers in the shortest possible time. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bartolomeus and Mr. Ari. But I see recently our clothing products sales data is decreasing. I don't know what caused this to happen. I asked our employees for various departments for advice on this issue.
Sorry, Mr. Christian. We from the accounting department would like to convey that our company finance have started to become unstable. As a result of the decreasing sales data day by day, so that income is reduced and our expense continue is increased.
I have a suggestion. What if we create new clothing styles and motifs that are popular with young people today? And also in terms of marketing, we can market them through advertisement on TV or through brochure.
I agree with your opinion, Mrs. Hamidah. This may be pretty good advice for our current company. I will consider your suggestion first.
Sorry, Mr. Christian and Mrs. Hamidah. If the company does the suggestion that you make, it will require a very large production cost while the company finance are unstable.
My advice is what? If we make a loan from the bank, then we will make it as suggested by Mrs. Hamidah.
I also agree with Miss Hamidah's opinion. And for the matter of fees, what if we are trying to find investor? We from the sales and marketing department will try our best to find investors who are active and have a big impact on our company.
Agree with Mr. Isca. We will try to find investor.
Alright, then we from the production department will discuss planning clothing motifs that are currently in demand by the public today.
I totally agree with Mrs. Isca's opinion. Well, we look for investors and then we will make a new clothing motif. For this part, I leave it to the production department to find out what clothing motifs are in demand during this pandemic. And I also hope that we must be able to adjust the price of clothing according to people's income during this pandemic. I think that's enough for our virtual meeting here today. Thank you to all employees who attend this virtual meeting. Please close this meeting, Mrs. Rena.
Alright, here we got two main points. The first one, we will be looking for some investors due to decreased sales, reduced income, and increased expenses. And the second one, we will create and add some new patterns and styles in our fashion brand that are high in demand these days and sell them at prices that are in line with our target market's income. during the pandemic. So yeah, that's a wrap. Thank you for Miss Christian and all the employees from various departments for your attendance and your participation through the meetings. I will share the result in our group as soon as possible. And good morning, everyone. Thank you and have a nice day.